In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Shopify. Whether you're updating your personal contact details or simply need to modify your business phone information, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Navigate to your Shopify admin homepage, which is where you'll find all the primary controls for managing your store. Once there, direct your attention to the lower left corner where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Shopify account. In the settings area, you'll see a list of various sections where you can fine-tune aspects of your store's operation. We need to focus our attention on the General settings, so go ahead and click on General. This section houses all the vital details of your store, including your current phone number, address, store name, and more. Within the General section, scroll down gently until you spot the Store Details. Here, you'll find the field that contains your current phone number. To change this, simply click into the phone number field. This will allow you to edit it. Carefully backspace over the existing number and type in your new phone number. Ensure you've entered the correct number because this is the contact point for customers and where Shopify may reach you for important updates. Once you've confirmed that the number is accurately entered, we need to save the changes. Look towards the top right corner of the page, where you'll find a Save button. Click Save to ensure that your new phone number is updated in your Shopify account. It's always a good practice to double-check that your changes have been successfully saved. To verify, refresh the settings page and return to the General section to see if your new phone number appears correctly. If it's all set, your number should display the updated information. Make sure to also inform any relevant partners, suppliers, or team members of your new contact details to avoid any potential communication mishaps. It's a small step that can ensure smooth operations and customer service continuity. And there you have it. You've now successfully updated your phone number on Shopify. If you have any questions or additional changes to make, remember that Shopify's support is a great resource. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.